welcome back to my channel. I'm actually getting ready to go see the new Grinch movie, and I thought I would show you guys my makeup look as well as my outfit before I head out to the movies. And I'm so happy with how the makeup turned out that I'm actually planning on redoing this look on camera and showing you guys how I did it so I could share this awesome Grinchmas makeup tutorial with you all. But this is what my outfit looks like. I have a shirt that says Resting Grinch Face, as well as some Christmas light leggings, and then this cute little Christmas bow cat ear, what do you call that? Headband. Couldn't think of the name. But yeah, so I'm going to see the new Grinch movie with the whole family. It's going to be my husband and I and our kids, as well as my brother and my parents. So I'm really looking forward to just sharing this family fun outing with everybody. And I love the Grinch, the original, as well as the remake with Jim Carrey. So I'm excited to see how this one turns out. All right, I'm gonna go get ready to see the movie now. Bye. Welcome back to another Trendy Talia video. So about a week ago, I went to see the new Grinch movie. I absolutely loved it. It was so cute. I loved how they did the animation, and it was also funny. And of course, I showed up to the movie theater dressed in my Grinch inspired outfit, and I also did my makeup inspired by the Grinch as well. And I'm calling this look the Grinchmas Glam. Really, there's nothing like Grinch bah humbug about it. I think it's perfect for holiday parties coming up. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. But before I get started, be sure to click that subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel already. I do plan on posting more holiday videos all the way up until December 31st. So if you guys don't want to miss those, then be sure to click that subscribe button, and let's get started with this makeup tutorial. Alrighty, so to eliminate time, I actually already applied my liquid foundation, my concealer, my setting powder, as well as doing my eyebrows. So I'll just be showing you guys how to do the eyeshadow, the cheek, and the lips, as well as a little bit of highlighter and all of that jazz. So we will jump into this tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is curling my eyelashes. Now I will be taking my Urban Decay Shadowbox, and I'm almost positive that they do not sell this palette anymore, but they may still sell the individual colors. But I've had this palette for about 6 or 7 years now, and I just love the colors, especially the green color that we're going to be using today, which is called Indo. But first, I'm going to be starting with this gold shimmery color down at the bottom called Baked Cowboy. Starting with Baked Cowboy, I'm going in at the inner corner of my eyes and taking it to about the middle part of my eyelid. Now I'm going to be going in with that green color called Indo at the outer edges of my eyelids. This is such a beautiful green color. I'm not one to wear like pops of color, especially green or blue, just because I feel like it looks a little too, I don't know, tacky, I guess you could say. But this one definitely does not come off as tacky, and it just gives a very beautiful holiday look. Now I'm just going to be blending that together with the gold, getting rid of any harsh edges, and I'm also going to go back in with gold and blend it a little bit better with the green so there's not a harsh line going from gold to green, and it kind of just blends nicely together. So I will be going back in with more gold here in a second. Taking the other end of this brush, I'm going to be adding more of this baked Cowboy gold color. Taking this color Sin, I'm going to be applying it to my eyebrow bone. Also, the inner corners of my eyes. I have some loose glitter here from Too Faced in the color Nude Beam that I will be applying to the center of my eyelids. Alright, now I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Gel Eyeliner Pencil, and I'm going to lightly line the top of my eyelids. Back in with Indo, the green color, I'm going to also underline underneath my eyes. Taking my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, I'm going to be applying this to my eyelashes now. Applying this beautiful pink blush color to the apples of my cheeks, and this is by NARS. All the products that I use in today's video, I will post it down below in the description bar for you guys to check out. And now I'll be adding some highlighter. For the lips, I will be using NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the color Spice Cake. I absolutely love this color, but it is so pigmented. So if I were to just like swipe this across my whole mouth, it would just be so bright and I would probably look like a clown. So normally what I do with this one is I just drag it down one there and one up top, like that. And I just take my finger and rub the color out. And that way it gives you a beautiful, like, just natural pink color to your lips. Like that. I'm going to finish off with the NYX Setting Spray in Matte. This is just going to keep my makeup intact all day. And here's the finished look. I really had fun recreating this look for you guys, or creating this look, I guess. I don't know. I did this look a week ago from the time you're going to be watching this video, and I'm finally just getting to do it for you almost a week later, so I guess it is recreating in a way. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Bye!